You're moving fast, but I'm moving slow. You're in my space, but I'm in control. I've got a million things to offer. I've got a million things to say. I had a feeling you would catch on to see I work in my own way. Come enter my space. Come enter my space. Come enter my space. Come enter my space. I feel your energy more and more. I feel it closer than before. You've got so many things to offer. You've got the nicest things to say.
What it do, people? Welcome to another episode of Uncle Dan Dan. Today we are here on the Fury on one of Offswitch Charters charters, basically. So we're gonna hit up San Clemente. It's a long rod trip, so everything we're throwing, we're gonna do our best to just throw irons the entire day. So none of my rods today are shorter than 8 feet. And I got the old school Lemmy glass with me. I got a whole big collection of irons to throw. So hopefully we get on them. We just had that big rainstorm. That big storm kind of chopped everything up, but forecast for tomorrow is dead tits perfect. It's 4-mile-per-hour winds, glass conditions up until 2 p.m., which is awesome because that's about the time that we're going to start coming back anyways. So you guys stay tuned. Hopefully we get on them, and you guys enjoy the show. All right? Yay!
That's my favorite part, bro.
I don't know what you're talking about. Gotta focus on what matters. All I hear are just screams and shouts.
What happened, Danny? Caught yourself a catfish?
You're a distraction. No, you won't get a reaction.
Snag action.
Extremely rocky here. We're actually right towards the pinnacle rock here. It's up to about 90 feet of water. So, and last time we were in here, last Thursday, we had quite a few yellowtail here. We had a lot of losses too, guys. You guys are fishing slider sinkers with light sardines. You also had a handful of fish there on the yo-yo iron. Salad 6X Junior. Hot color, mint white
jig him with it.
You almost did.
Good, see him. Keep going. Oh, God. Yeah, you got the jig though.
That's all that matters. You don't want that fish.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost one.
I don't know if it's the brush.
I'll give you jump in that water, bro.
Fresh one. Oh, no, yo-yo.
That's what the YouTube guy said. What'd you put on there?
Huh?
We're gonna try something.
We're on one, fresh one. I'm trying, man. I'm trying.
You finish here a couple more minutes and go and vote.
Hurry up, man. You got a couple minutes.
I know. You started the motor and freaking.
Hey, hold your side, bro. Yeah.
Still there. Nah, yo-yo.
Yo, MTV rat.
The small one though, the junior. Sorry, fellas. 40.
Cool. I try and be as aggressive as you can with them. I don't want where it's a little extra working out and battle and fucking see. Test it out. Walk onto the top here. Pop it in low real quick. Straight grind that thing up. Just wind. Wind.
Thank you, sir. Oh, that's my biggest yellow ever. Yeah, boy. That's a fucking one. That's one. Oh, it's the one you lost, huh? Thank you, fellas.
That was proper fighting speed. Proper. See what got him for a sec.
Yeah, shit.
Yeah, here.
Holy shit.
Yo-yo?
Yeah.
Near? Oh, near. He's got mom.
Reeling in. Yeah.
Here's got Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a fish. It's a bluefin. Oh shit. I think that's a chicken. Wait up.
See, that's the one I lost. See? That's it. Oh yeah, I saw it. Yeah, all right.
That's so good.
Fuck yeah, dude.
What's your number, dude?
6.
Yeah, that thing's at least 50 pounds. Oh wow, dude.
God, I hope so. Yeah. Fuck my forearm though. You weren't kidding about forearms. Holy shit. He said just muscle it in.
Right?
Fucking hey. Woo!
Like 50 times worse when you have a 600-pound hamster.
Oh yeah, I know.
That's 6, right?
Yep.
That's proper.
That's how it's done, right?
That was textbook execution. When there's sea lions. Is that an A2? Drag button.
Yeah, they do.
Smaller. What size down here? So I'm saying put in low like we did.
Yeah.
Work is once you get them straight up and down, which I'm not. This isn't criticizing like you.
No.
When you get in low and you get them close like that, it helps when they're straight up and down because it's like putting the bike in second gear. So basically, you don't have to lift up and wind down and
just
have that stall of movement.
You
can just get the straight crank. It's not as good when they're going straight out, but when they're up and down, you're gonna have that lag time every time you have to lift up and wind down, especially when there's sea lions around. You pop that thing a second, and you can just do a straight grind, and it'll spin them right up.
Sick. All right, thanks for the info.
Yeah. Good job.
Retie.
Got dinner?
I got dinner for a couple days. Or one good drinking day, that was it. Holy shit. It's my biggest yellowtail ever, man. Yoo! They dove. Oh, there they are. Holy shit. Dude, that's so dope. Oh, we're on. they're screaming on the side too.